Okay, brand new from Soleil. This is the Sleep Spa Nature Sound and Light Therapy Sun Alarm Clock. Look at that. This is it, people. This is the answer. Okay, tens of millions of Americans have serious sleep disorders. What if a simple machine could dramatically improve your sleep, thus giving a big boost to your overall health? Well, this sleep spa will help you sleep better and wake up easier. Soothing light and sound help you fall asleep and stay asleep. The mind and body fall asleep naturally and without difficulty. The custom nature sounds will also aid in the relaxation and block out disturbing noises. Now, for video purposes, you're going to see a rippling effect when I show or demonstrate the sun rising. This is due to the camera speed not matching the LED cycles. So the human eye does not actually see what I'm going to show. So picture waking up to birds chirping and the sun rising. That's just awesome. I'm going to go through it a little slower. It doesn't actually do that. It comes up very slow, very gradual with the sound to help you wake up easier and more happier. Now, this is NASA-inspired technology. There are also some other features on the back you're going to see in a moment. When you hear the alarm, this clock also has 12 and 24-hour times, so you can set it on military time if you like. I like that feature too. Quality by Soleil. Now I want to talk about one more feature. If you look at the indicator right here, you can press the sound button and we're going to go through the sounds. Very light alarm ascension, water, birds chirping, and brook. Very nice. While we're hearing the alarm, I'd just like to talk about this excellent USB port used to charge your phone or your devices, and the auxiliary in to play your music through this speaker if you need to.